Hello YouTube, Jay from J&T Custom Creations, and how are you doing? Alright, in this here episode what we're going to do is we are going to disassemble our engine. We put all the parts together for preliminary fit and everything. Now we're going to disassemble it and reassemble it. Okay. Okay, what size is that? It's large. Okay, you don't need to see me, you need to see what's going on. So what I've done over here is I've just taken off the timing parts, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take these parts off. This is an AccuFab bolt. That is a CompCam spacer. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to utilize the old pin, pull that out, because I've already taken a pin out of here to adjust this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this back in, but that fits in the back. Crap. The other one was easy to do, this one is not, because this pin is not long enough. So I need to find a paper clip. I said, oh, I didn't need it, so I tossed it. Here I am needing it. Now, I don't have any of the rocker arms in place, so there's no strain on any of these bridges holding the cam up. But I'm still gonna, because I want to have safe practice, I'm still gonna take them off like there is. Now, on this particular setup, you'll have 2 sets of bolts. Okay, And you'll notice here, these are zinc coated on the bottom, and then these are black up here. Now that's because the ones on the bottom are shorter than the ones up on top. So you have to remember that these guys here go on the bottom here. Okay? And I'm going to take these out in order. And I am doing a up and over pattern. So this releases the cam evenly, okay, and it doesn't put strain on the cam. And again, because I don't have the rockers in, okay, I just have the valve and the valve adjusters in, and not the rockers. There's nothing touching this. That's why I can turn the cam freely. Okay. I'm going to take the retainer off. Take this retainer off. I'm going to hold the cam in place just in case it wants to pop out with the retainer, because we don't want to drop that. That would be bad. I'm going to take the cam out. Now I'm going to lay the cam over here, which I'll show you in a minute, on my cardboard and not on the carpet. Okay. I'm going to lay these up like this. All right. Okay. I'm going to get a rag because this is all full of stuff. Okay. All right, now we're going to do the same thing to the other side. All right, so there we have it. So, now looking at our table of parts here, we have left and right. All right, so looking at our table of parts, we have left and right cylinder head, and then obviously left and right set of parts. I didn't get a large, I did not get a large jar of this stuff. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put a little bit on a brush. Well, it came with the head bolts, and then I'm just gonna dab it on the threads here. Let me see if I can get a container that I can put this stuff in. I think it'll be better than what I've got here. Hold that thought. What's up, buddy? Well, what is it? Intermission. All right, how does this look? Does it look okay? Does this look? Does it look like it's okay? No, you just want to climb up here. Okay, so like I was saying, come on. All right, I don't know how you do this. Okay, time to put you down. Come on, buddy. And you don't need a lot, just enough to coat the threads. You don't have to get crazy with it. Now, if you don't have, you know, I mean, I bought this is a paintbrush. I bought it at the dollar store. It was $1 for, you know, a pack of however many different sizes. But if you don't have that, not a big deal. You can use put a rubber glove on, or even a regular, just a plastic glove, and have at it with your finger. Okay. Now I'm just going to run these down. Why'd you put that one there? I don't know. Until it stops. Okay, once you have all these bottomed out, then what you want to do is you want to back off just a tad, and then turn it back by hand, and then turn it half a turn. So you want to make sure that it goes down to the bottom, then turn it back just a little bit. Okay. Now, if you look on the washer, come on, focus. Nope. You'll see that there's some knurling on this side, and there's nothing right on that side. The knurling goes towards the head. So you put this on the head, and then use your ARP goop, and you put it on the washer, and then also the threads. And then you put a bolt down. Okay. It doesn't need a ton of stuff, but it definitely needs to be coated. At this point, we're going to torque the head down to 30 foot-pounds at this point in time. And again, you're going to go in a cross pattern like this, so it goes on evenly. So we're only going to hit 30 pounds.